Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick screenshot on iPhone. So make sure that your iPhone is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually have access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it's done on Google. And here it says, simple steps. Press the side button and the volume up button at the same time, and then quickly release both buttons. And after you take the screenshot, the thumbnail appears temporarily in the bottom left corner of your screen. So let's do it. You're gonna hold your side button or your side finger and the volume up button at the same time. You're gonna hold them right now, okay? And after you hold them, quickly release both buttons. So you're gonna press them at the same time and you're gonna release them at the same time as well. So 1, 2, 3, and as you can see right here, I took a screenshot, and now you're gonna see a temporary thumbnail appearing in front of you. You can just click the picture right here to edit it if you wanted to. Crop it, to be small, big, or full screen, whatever it might be, you can do it. And if you want to add another, writing or something like that, you can use brushes right here, right, to quickly demonstrate, the picture, for example, right? If you wanted to say something or type something right here, you can do it. And afterwards, after you've had your editing and everything, you could just hit down at the top left and you can save it to photos or files. All right, in my case, I'm gonna just save it to photos. All right, let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.